Welcome back to Finance Bird. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy in a bird costume, but I want you to become rich. So let's talk about the very basics of buying stock. You haven't done it before. We've talked about trading strategies, PE ratios, that sort of things, trends, but we haven't talked about how you actually trade stocks and invest. So that's what we're going to go over with. I'm not going to do a click-by-click instruction. That'll come later. But let's go to the whiteboard. You want to invest in the stock market. What does that mean? That means you need a special type of account that's different from a bank account. What you're going to need, and this is a free plug for Charles Schwab. They're not paying me. It's not a bank. But for you guys, I'm going to say it's a bank. Okay. The app. Charles CHWAB. You can use Robinhood if you want. That's the popular one, but both ones kind of do the same thing. But Charles Schwab, this one allows you to read articles, and that's why I like it. Okay, now that you know what app to get, okay, how do I use it? You need to apply for a brokerage or Roth IRA. So what does that mean? Well, okay, first you download the app. I'm just going to say Charles Schwab. You download it. And then they're going to ask you what type of account you want. You will choose either brokerage or Roth IRA. You may also see the option for SEP. That is a I forget what E stands for. I'm sorry. I just know it as a self-directed individual retirement account. What the app is going to ask you to do is apply in a similar fashion to applying for a job. You're going to have to get your social security number. You're going to need your bank account information, your checking account, routing number, and account number, because you're going to have to get money from your bank account into, again, not being paid by Charles Schwab, but your Charles Schwab account. The application process may take an entire afternoon because you may not have all the information you need. You may need a pen and paper. And by the way, yes, you can do this all on your phone, but in a very sort of millennial way, this is more of a laptop or desktop job. You are going to be asked quite a bit of information. And if you don't know what some of the terms mean, don't be afraid to ask someone like me. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I can guide you through it. Or you can just simply Google what the terms mean. And if that doesn't work, I'm sure there is someone you can call on the phone if you feel like putting on headphones and playing a video game as you wait to get connected to a real human being. So, let's fast forward to tomorrow or maybe a week later, because sometimes it takes a while for your account to be approved. But let's say you did all the information for the application and it's correct. So now you get to put money from your bank account. This is running out. You get to put money from your bank account which is the one that has your credit card or bank card, to your Charles Schwab or trading account. You can either wire money from your bank account to Charles Schwab. That does not mean Venmo, that does not mean Cash App. That means a bank wire transfer. Or you can mail a physical check from your house or apartment or whatever to Charles Schwab for the amount that you want to begin to start trading with. This may take another week. Week A. So then, you have, let's say that worked. You have money now in your Charles Schwab account. That money appears in a money market account. A money market account you don't trade from. That is just a bucket of money that you put. That money is just waiting to be spent. Doesn't really do much, doesn't really gain interest. It's just a holding place. So when you wrote that check to Charles Schwab or to Robinhood or whatever, it ends up in a money market account, the bucket. From there, you are able then to take money out and then finally, at long last, choose, and I just use Apple because everybody knows it, you can choose securities. Securities just means stocks for you to buy. Now, I'm sure there are bits of this that may have been a little bit obscure, but I want to make this clearer. So I'll continue making variations of this video until you get it. And don't worry, we'll probably do some videos where I'll have somebody right here where I can walk through maybe click for click for them showing how to do it. The hardest part is going to be the application for you, because some of this information about yourself you may not know right away. It helps to have a pen and paper. Anyway, wow, that took like 8 minutes. Cool, but I hope that helped. Once again, I'm Finance Bird. I want you to become rich. Thanks for liking my show.